Hey, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our JIC-891 crimping plier and our JIC-22148 5-in-1 combination crimping plier. So the JIC-891 is designed to crimp UG, UR, UI connectors, 709 connectors, and AMP-TEL splice connectors. The tool is made of high carbon steel and heat treated for strength and durability. It has a nice curved handle for comfort and additionally very thick cushion grip here for additional comfort. The JIC-22148 is a 5-in-1 combination crimping plier. It has long nose pliers. It has a stripping slot in it for 22 gauge wire. It has the crimping slot for your UG, UR, UI, 709 connectors, AMP-TEL splice connectors, cutter. And on the bottom is a crusher, which is great for crimping B-type connectors. The tool is made of chrome vanadium steel and heat treated for maximum strength and durability. It also has a nice curved handle that fits well in your hand with extra thick vinyl grips for additional comfort. These tools are simple to use. Here I have some wire, so all I'm going to do here is pair up. In this case, I'm going to pair up 2 blue wires together, grab my connector, put it in, and crimp. That's it, done. I'll do the same thing with the JIC-22148 on some brown wire I have right here. Together. In this case, I'll use a different type connector and you'll see if it still fits in the tool quite well. There you go. Crimp, done. Cutter on the bottom. Cut the wire right off. Thank you.